Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the Love from Lizi June card kit called the Crystal Slipper. So let's go ahead and jump in. So here is a quick glance at the card kit, and as you can see, it is so packed with card making supplies. I'm going to set a couple things to the side here, but I first want to go through the paper. So this kit is called the Crystal Slipper, and you will see why. It has a very princess themed, a Cinderella theme throughout the whole kit. So this paper is nice. You could use this cover even, cut those little strips off. But you can see here in the design, we've got Cinderella and the carriage and her glass slipper and just so many of the cute little items. So I will flip through the papers here. Now they are single-sided and there's so many pretty ones, which I like when they're single-sided because sometimes, you like both patterns on both sides on double-sided pages. And with these, you don't have to make a choice. So here is the rest of those. Now this one has some little stars on it, so you could use that for anything. But they are all very themed to go along with the kit, which I love. This is super cute. All right, so let me set the papers aside. And next we're going to look at the stamp set. So the stamp set has sayings, so this is love, can change your whole life, with love, the perfect shoe, a dream is a wish your heart makes, hello pumpkin, have courage, and be kind, and my favorite princess, as well as those images as well. I'm going to set the ephemera to the side, and we'll open that in a minute. You get a sheet of this. This is an iridescent shell specialty paper. And then you also receive this one. It's textured. It's a faux blue suede. It really feels like suede though, so that's super cute. Also, we receive 5 holographic borders. So there's 10 designs in total, but each kit has 5. So yours may look a little different, but you do receive 5 of these and they're holographic. They are so pretty. That's going to add a nice little detail to your card making. Very pretty. All right, next we have some brand new peel-offs. These are the Lemon Glitter Mini Twinkle peel-offs, and they are in 3 different sizes. And then we receive a sheet of holographic cardstock. We also receive some 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So we've got lilac, and we have baby blue. There's a sheet of white. We have a sheet of pink cardstock and a vanilla. Now let's start looking at some of the embellishments. So one thing I love about the Love from Lizi kits are these gorgeous ephemera pieces. So taking a look at these are all related to the princess theme. So you can see here we've got some princesses. Isn't that the fairy godmother? Some little ponies. We've got the little carriage. Oh, I love this castle. That castle is great big. And then let's see here, some more little, I think it's the fairy godmother. Just cute little ephemera pieces. And there's so many pieces in here. I love these. These are going to be really fun to make on cards. And I especially like that you get so many of them. So I'm just going to flip through the rest of these so you can see. Now I do want to mention while I'm flipping through here that I will have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box. And I do appreciate when you shop my links as I receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. So thank you so much for all of you that shop my links. It means so much to me. All right, let's move on to the small embellishment bag. Now in here, there's lots of goodies. This first one here is the Enchanted Castle die. So I'm going to open this up so you can get a good look at it here. And here's the castle die, so that's super pretty. And then I think this is my favorite of the whole kit. you get these little charms. So we've got 3 slipper charms and we have 3 clock charms. And then there's 2 mini bows, one pink and one blue. And so let me open these and then I'm going to hold these up to the camera so that you can see them. But these charms are so cute. So let me put these in here and hold these up. Oh my gosh, do you love those little slippers and those little clocks? Aren't those adorable? And then there is the mini bows too. Really pretty. And so unique. Okay, and then in this bag, you received some diamond mini sequins. And then in here, we've got some ribbon. So we've got this one here is a blue velvet in organza. And then this one here, let's see, we've got several of these that are organza. We get a blue one, we get a pink one, and a white one. So there's those. And then we also have this beautiful pink glitter velvet. And then in this little bag, we've got, let me see, oh, some little gems. So we've got 3 strips of gems. We've got pink, blue, and purple. Very pretty. All right, so that is everything that is included in the card kit. Now there are some add-ons. So I want to show you the add-ons. I love getting the add-ons. I've got the Crystal Slipper Pinstripe Bundle. And in here, we've got the white with the silver finish. We've got pink holographic, silver moon dust, and ice blue mirror with silver finish. Then this is the variety bundle. And then let me open this one up. This is the Crystal Slipper Specialty Cardstock. So we've got some silver pillar holographic. We've got Atlantic blue pearlescent, rose glitter, silver matte mirror, fuchsia glitter, and silver glitter. Also very pretty. And I didn't mention, but in the variety bundle for the Crystal Slipper peel-offs, there are lots of different styles of the mini twinkles. So here's a look at everything that comes in the kit plus the add-ons. And like I said, this is so many things and it's so cute this month. Now, I like to store mine all in this big poly envelope. So I'm going to bring in my envelope just to show you how I store these. And I will have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box for this as well, if you're interested. I get these on Amazon and I think these envelopes are just amazing because they expand. So I can put my whole card kit in here plus my little stack and sort tray. So if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And I hope you'll follow me on Facebook and on Instagram as well. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you'll see my next video. Bye!